Hi, I'm Lydia and I'm solving video solution number 4. So this problem has us take a look at a study that found that 30 out of 80 randomly selected UWL students participated in undergraduate research. So to find a 99% confidence interval of those students, we first want to figure out what the sample population proportion is. So 30 out of the 80 students participated in undergraduate research, and so 30 divided by 80 is 0.375, and then N, our total sample size, is 80 students. So to find a 99% confidence interval, we will use a Z of 2.575. And our formula for finding the confidence interval is listed right here. So we're going to plug the values from this problem into this formula. So we'll have 0.375 plus or minus 2.575 times the square root of 0.375 times 1 minus 0.375 divided by 80. So this comes out to a 0.375 plus or minus. When this whole part of the formula is solved, it'll be 0.1393. So when we add and subtract that, we will get that the interval for students who participated in undergraduate research is between 0.2356 and 0.5143. And then we want to make sure that the conditions required for this confidence interval are valid, and so we find that by making sure that n times p and n times 1 minus p are both higher than 10. So 0.375 times 80 gives us 30, and 80 times 1 minus 0.375 gives us 50, so this is valid. So then we'll move on to part B, and that asks to figure out how large of a sample size of graduates is needed to arrive at a 99% confidence interval with a margin of error of 0.1. So this is our formula for finding what sample size we need to get that 99% confidence interval and a margin of error of 0.1. So we're going to plug in the values from this problem into this formula. So to find n, we have 2.575 squared times our p of 0.375 times 1 minus 0.375 all over our margin of error of 0.1 squared. And this will give us 155.4052, and we'll always round up just to be safe. So this gives us a total of 156 students that need to be sampled to arrive at a 99% confidence interval with a margin of error of 0.1.